family. I hope y'all doing good out there. I'm hanging in. I just found some chicken wings in my freezer, but I didn't know what to do with them. I really didn't want no hot wings, so I was thinking, why not just do a Mediterranean style? You know? A break from the hot wings, plus it goes in with my whole Mediterranean diet theme. So, win-win. So guys, I think this is going to be a relatively easy recipe. If you have any questions or comments about it, please leave them down below. Now stay tuned for the video. Got our little chicken wings, little chickadees. I have some fresh, make sure it's fresh, rosemary, thyme, and oregano, freshly chopped up. Have a little fresh parsley for garnish, kosher salt and pepper, some baking powder, garlic powder, and a little Feta cheese. Get our little chickadees here. So, we're going to add, you can either use a little olive oil or grapeseed oil, however you want to do it. A little lemon juice. And you're gonna need, I think it's a tablespoon and a half of the herbs here. Fresh garlic, I minced this myself, it smells so good, y'all. A little pepper. And then I have some kosher salt. I'm not gonna go crazy with the kosher salt, y'all. Little bit of garlic powder, or a lot of it, and a dash of baking powder. And this is just gonna give our chicken wings, you know, that little crispy feel to them. I'm gonna stir this all together. And then we'll pop these in the oven. Bam, super easy. I think we could go with some more herbs. It's looking a little herbless. Alright, so the chicken wings are all ready to go. Got a little cooking spray here, and I'm just gonna spray my pan down just a little bit. And my little bacon rack so our little chickadees don't stick. Okay, so here we are. Yeah, look at all that herb, spices, and goodness. Try to get it all on there. Yeah. Just gonna lay them on the rack like so and pop these in the oven. Now we can lay back in our makeup. So guys, that's it. Look at that baby. Yes. I sprinkled these with just a little bit of parsley and some scallions on that baby and a little bit of more of that cheese. Yes. I got some Tzatziki sauce here. About to try it out. Oh my goodness. That's pretty good. You can really taste them fresh herbs in there. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you try it out, let me know what you think about it. Oh, and I will see you next time. Peace.